nje ilizwe lishintshile.
But then what do you say when you teach your kids what you've learned last? Did you learn last all these things? Is that what you're teaching them?
Last nini?
Kuthiwa teach your kids what you've learned last.
No, train your child in the ways of the Lord.
But kunale teach them what you've learned last.
Yeah, no, this is what I've learned last. Okay. What I learned before was violence.
Okay.
Yakhumbula ngitshela kulokhunjana kuyilo kunjana wazi wangibiza ngeabuse. Ngasaba nokuphendula ngithi maybe bengiyiyo. Vele bengi-abuse but emotionally. Mina I can khuluma, ngiyakwazi ukukhuluma. I've got ngiyakwazi ukukhuluma.
You are manipulator.
I can
manipulate something.
No, yazi kanjani. Ngiyakwazi ukuzikhulumela.
Okay.
Yabo, so
manipulate the situation.
I can fall under manipulation because already lengozambiyela ukuthi wena ngoba uyakwazi ukukhuluma, yazi ukuthi ufike uzikhulumela mina ngikwazi ukukhuluma. Yena beka violent. Yabo. But besithandana mfethu. Yabo. So the other day ukuze ngiyoboshwa tshwala yabo yabo siphuzile ke nempintla yamabhudi and then thenga imoto okay hambile nomngane wakhe and then umngane wakhe uPrimiscus and angimthandisisi kahle ngendlela zakhe angunderstand and benga approve ukuthi ahambe naye because of I know her yabo because I know her by saying I know her
understand
the friend ukukhula mfethu yabo my life experiences so now bahambile bala beyakhona mabafika lapho imoto yastaka yabo imoto mayistaka instead of afonele benifonela umechanic yabo kufonela umechanic naye kwavasa kuyaziphuzela umechanic utshela umngane ukuthi ndoda thatha wena imoto yakho hamba uyostaka ulela lo muntu because ngihamba imoto encane uhamba imoto enkulu uyostaka ulela lo muntu uyombeka endlini la hlala khona then ubuye sizophuza uyangunderstand okay kube njalo ahamba yomstaka ulula then mina nami ngiphuma ke ka Kaizer nomngane wami mangizofika number 1 lo muntu akakabi perfect ukudriving but ufake imoto ebhekisa le you cannot drive uthathe kanjani imoto ebhekisa le and then khona imoto emestradeni lama lokhunja la ama Hyundai lamakhulu imilelena and then mangibheka kuphuma lo uPrimiscus uyaphuma uyongena kubo and then mangithi ngara khona amajita i2 bahambe boy 2 1+1 about 2 so we grow up under violence and then I was violent ke aqala ngahlaselana laba abantu because bazamile ukuthi baye explain ashame then mina sengila ngikhona yabo already bese ngiconclude la yakhumbula le movie le yaka Van Damme no brother wakhe umbonile seka conclude la ngithi so you don't talk and then nami ngafika ngabalwisa ngathatha itina ngaphula imoto bafo wabaleka so lo but mina bengazimisela ngomshado to be honest yabo ubezivalela emotweni ngithi phuma sokhuluma akafuna ukuphuma so ngathatha istina ngaphula iwindow with intentions okuvula umnyango kanti mangishaya istina lesi siyakuye ene namabhodlela yangunderstand sayomshaya amabhodlela amsika kwableedeka khani ingqondo ibuye ngiyenzani lesikhathi ngisathi ngiyenzani ngifuna namabandage ngithi ngistart imoto yakhe ayistart why imoto ingastart khani ngizwa ama explanation manje alright ukuthi imoto bestakile that's why ngicela ubani ukuthi azongilandela ubani bathu ngibamulimi
khona nami moswayi manje yonke ngihlobisile mina la
no mfethu nalapho futhi it's another mistake yabo but maybe uzwela ukuthi ngifonela umechanic noma ngamfonela uzwenzani maybe so ithi ngifonela umuntu ongayifixa
this noma ungafika wena isizophinda nifuna umechanic
so yabo so then ngisathi ngibusy na lapho ngithi ngistart yami angazi kuhlangahlangene kwamivona amaphoyisa lawo nayo lo uyableeda naye le boyfriend yakhona lena sengigijezwe imoto police station ngaboshwa kanjalo yabo
so uhleli isikhathi singakanani
maybe 1 month
1 month are you serious
no ngashawa itrial
mina yazi ngicela ukuthi uhlala iweekend
hayi ngashawa itrial ngahlala isikhathi esithi phela beyi serious le case bekwi grievously body harm bekwi assault kwi assault grievously body harm kwi assault with a blunt a weapon
be property damage or whatever
we malicious damage to property and then we assault with intention commit murder and then the last charge be attempted murder angithi yazi usha umuntu kayi1 ama case aya so beyinkulu be serious yabo
So ubusesezisele okanye bebekusekhona ejele.
No, bengoma way sejela ngithi but angithi uba kuma waiting cell then like asithi police station 2 days and then after 2 days bayakucharge bayakuthumela near court magistrate yasho ukuthi bail or no bail mina ke zangiphikise bail but basafuna evidence Krugerstop mofika eBerg and then eBerg mofika niqala kulala kuhlangahlangene khona ngikhohle ukuthi bayibiza indawo yakhona and then from there bazonifaka emaselini but anigqoki orange like abantu abagwetshiwe ngigqoka iyellow.
Okay.
Yabo ebhalwe trial what pending what yabo. Yeah, so ngahlala man angizange ngakugwetshwa.
Yeah, I understand what you mean, but
Yeah.
yo inyanga.
Yeah, ngahlala because of ngakwazi ukuthi ngikhulume naye lo mfana lona. Yabo ngamncenga ngazehlisa like naye uzeo mechanic ngazehlisa kuba ukuthi bafethi yaze I made a mistake. But whatever damage engiyenzile I'll fix it because manje isikhathi ngisilese siside ngizogcina ngiluza nomsebenzi yabo. So let's come to arrangement that is and then safika arrangement and then lo mfana sathi siye court ke yeah plus mina media mayizange ivule case because wabona ukuthi mistake yabo. And vele angisulo yomuntu.
And I'm glad you learned your lesson through other people.
And ngayifunda kayi1.
Yeah, good.
Ngayifunda kayi1 as fun singabantu ngithi. Ngayifunda kayi1 and then for mina it was no more.
Yeah.
It was no more to the limit ukuthi yazi it was no more to the limit ukuthi
I will just walk away.
ngathi ama walk club ngazihlalela endlini nomfazi wami sayenza yonke into sithu ngayesigela ngaba umfundisi like saba umfundisi noma umfundisi besithandiwe besihlonishwa man bekumnandi yabo because of leyo nto leyo. So it means mina
You had to learn your
phinda futhi
lesson.
le gama lakho.
It's teach your kids what you've learned last.
Yeah, that's what I learned last. Then from learning that last qala ngafunda then understanding ukuthi umuntu wemedi uphathwa kanjani. Yeah, understand plus nasesonto nabazibaza nenkinga zabo. Then qala uyabona and then you adapt and then we became good man. We became good. Being manipulator and like being violent ngomlomo mina. Yabo.
And you know that words they scar more than physical.
Yeah, because of
abuse.
our pale angithi.
Yes.
Umuntu nomelele that word comes
Yes.
we useless or stupid or whatever word comes around yeah build up umuntu then but it's not worse than ukushaywa. It is
No,
worse.
it is, trust
Yeah,
me.
but it is worse but ukushaywa you can end up losing your life.
Exactly, but
asithi into iyalingana.
because of ungaqhubeka because of what I'm trying to say is even izinto umuntu azishoyo verbally singenza nawe you can even take your own life. You can end up being in substances that can endanger your life as well.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
So you can still share. Uxolo hle ngimane ngiphazamisa.
But angithi kusase into eyi1
Yeah.
ngayo lena yabo.